Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are stepping into a world where automotive perfection meets ultimate luxury living. This is not just a vehicle. This is not just a motorhome. This is the Bugatti Motorhome Concept, a vision of what happens when the DNA of one of the most prestigious hypercar brands on Earth is reimagined as a rolling palace. Bugatti has always stood for speed without compromise, craftsmanship without limits, and luxury without apology. And now, imagine all of that philosophy transformed into a high-performance motorhome, designed for those who want to travel the world without ever leaving the atmosphere of a five-star, ultra-luxury residence. This is the Bugatti Motorhome. From the very first glance, the Bugatti Motorhome looks nothing like a traditional RV. Its exterior design is inspired directly by Bugatti's iconic hypercars, such as the Chiron and Mistral. The body features flowing aerodynamic curves, sharp edges, and a low, aggressive stance that feels more like a supercar than a recreational vehicle. The signature Bugatti horseshoe grille dominates the front, instantly establishing its identity. The body panels are crafted from carbon fiber composites, aerospace-grade aluminum, and lightweight titanium elements, ensuring both structural strength and performance efficiency. Every surface is sculpted to reduce drag while enhancing visual drama. Ultra-thin LED matrix headlights wrap around the front, featuring Bugatti's signature light pattern, while ambient LED strips outline the entire vehicle, glowing softly at night, like a luxury yacht on wheels. Large multi-axle forged alloy wheels sit beneath muscular wheel arches, wrapped in S. As the automatic doors glide open, you step into a space that completely redefines what a motorhome interior can be. The cabin is designed with Bugatti's signature craftsmanship philosophy. Every surface, every texture, and every material exists for a reason. The flooring is made from hand-finished wood veneers and brushed aluminum, while the walls are wrapped in premium leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. Soft, ambient lighting flows through hidden LED channels, adapting automatically to the time of day. This interior doesn't feel like a vehicle. It feels like a private jet lounge combined with a luxury penthouse. The driver's area is nothing short of spectacular. Bugatti engineers have designed the cockpit to feel like a true hypercar command center, not a bus or RV. The steering wheel is a flat-bottom carbon fiber wheel, wrapped in hand-stitched leather with aluminum paddle controls. Behind it sits a fully digital curved instrument cluster, displaying speed, navigation, terrain data, vehicle systems, and real-time performance analytics. The heads-up display projects essential information directly onto the windshield. The driver's seat is ergonomically sculpted, inspired by Bugatti racing seats, offering maximum comfort for long journeys without sacrificing control. Every button, dial, and touch surface feels precise and solid, just like a Bugatti should. Moving deeper inside, you enter the main rest and lounge area. This space is designed for relaxation, entertainment, and socializing. Plush modular sofas upholstered in premium leather are arranged around a central floating table with brushed metal finishes. The seating is adjustable, allowing the space to transform from a relaxing lounge into a formal entertainment area. Hidden storage compartments are seamlessly integrated into the walls, maintaining a clean and uncluttered design. Large panoramic glass panels stretch along both sides, offering breathtaking views of the surroundings while flooding the interior with natural light. This is where long journeys become unforgettable experiences. The dining area is a masterpiece of functional elegance. A luxury dining table crafted from solid wood and carbon fiber extends electronically, comfortably seating 4 to 6 people. Surrounding it are ergonomic chairs designed to remain stable even while the vehicle is in motion. Above the table, a soft ambient light panel mimics natural daylight, creating the perfect dining atmosphere at any time of day or night. Whether it's a business dinner on the road or a quiet family meal overlooking a desert, coastline, or mountain range, the Bugatti Motorhome turns every meal into a fine dining experience. The kitchen inside the Bugatti Motorhome is nothing short of professional grade. It features state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, a smart oven, a high-capacity refrigerator, and a built-in espresso system worthy of a luxury cafe. All cabinets use soft-close mechanisms, with interiors lined in premium materials. The countertops are made from polished stone composites, combining durability with visual elegance. Every inch of this kitchen is optimized for efficiency without compromising on style. The bedroom is where the Bugatti Motorhome truly reveals its soul. This is not just a sleeping area. Take keys. It's a private master suite. At the center is a king-size bed, engineered with a custom suspension system that absorbs road vibrations, ensuring uninterrupted sleep even while traveling. The walls feature soft padded panels with integrated lighting, creating a calm, relaxing environment. Large wardrobes offer ample storage, while hidden drawers provide intelligent organization. A massive OLED display is positioned across from the bed, paired with a premium surround sound system for movies, music, or gaming. This is luxury without compromise, even at 70 miles per hour. The bathroom inside the Bugatti Motorhome rivals that of a luxury hotel. It includes a separate rain shower, premium ceramic fixtures, heated flooring, and digitally controlled water temperature and pressure. The toilet is fully automated, featuring advanced hygiene systems and noise reduction technology. Smart mirrors display weather updates, travel data, and even entertainment options. Every detail is designed to provide a spa-like experience, transforming daily routines into moments of indulgence. The Bugatti Motorhome is powered by a fully integrated AI-driven smart system. Voice commands allow you to control lighting, climate, entertainment, navigation, and security. The system learns your preferences over time, adapting the environment automatically. A central touchscreen panel acts as the command hub, while mobile integration allows full control through your smartphone or tablet. This is not just smart living. This is intelligent mobility.